Hi, we're Bear Conductive. We've been working for the last 2 years as a studio to develop materials and technology that are accessible to everyone. We're here today to show you the most exciting thing that we've done yet, the touchboard. The company was founded around our electric paint. We've seen this material used in some amazing ways, but its most incredible application so far has been its use as a sensor. To get started, all that you need is a battery, a speaker, an SD card, and a touchboard. Connect a bit of our electric paint to the board and you'll have an instrument. Bring a book to life. Turn a wall into a classroom.
A is for apple.
Take your project wherever you want. Use the touchboard without touching it at all. Use more than one sensor to make an instrument. You can hide the sensor. Or you can make a big sensor that detects a whole person. You can use the touchboard with anything that's conductive, from tin foil to copper, e-textiles, conductive foam, or even a nail. The board is part of an open source universe of Arduino devices, which means that your shields and code will work with it. Start from scratch or take an existing project to a whole new level. You could use a relay shield to make a touch-sensitive light switch. You could use a wireless shield to make some remote doorbells for everyone in your office. You could add a motor shield and ring a real bell. The touchboard is based off of an Arduino Leonardo with a capacitive touch chip, an MP3 player, and a LiPo battery charger. But the board can also be set up as a MIDI device. To get it right, we've made loads of prototypes, and now we're working with manufacturers here in the UK to help us make the touchboard a reality. By supporting the touchboard, you're going to help us fund our first production run. But more importantly, you're going to be the first to play with this exciting piece of kit. So let's make this happen. We need your support, but what we really need is for you to share your ideas with us and with each other. So join us and let's see what we can make.
Circuits are the building blocks of our modern world. They light our houses, and they're in our cars, computers, and cell phones. But building simple circuits still looks like this, or like this. We thought that we could do better. We wanted to make building circuits as simple as doodling on a piece of paper. No breadboards and no wiring required.
So we invented CircuitScribe, the world's first ballpoint pen that draws electric circuits instantly. Hi, I'm Brett Walker, the co-founder and CEO of Electronics Incorporated.
Hi, I'm Annalisa Russo, and I'm the Director of STEM Outreach for Electronics.
We're part of Jennifer Lewis's research lab at the University of Illinois, and we've invented a water-based, non-toxic, conductive ink that writes on flexible substrates like paper. You don't have to shake or squeeze the pen, and the ink dries instantly, so you don't have to wait 24 hours for a functioning circuit. CircuitScribe allows you to create low-cost, high-quality electronics instantly. We've also developed a variety of magnetic components that snap right into your circuits. No gluing, no soldering, just plug and play.
This technology has the potential to revolutionize the way circuits are taught in schools. It takes circuits out of the textbook and into the imagination. CircuitScribe is about learning through creating. You can create simple circuits using nothing but paper and a small battery for STEM education projects, or for some very dynamic refrigerator art. The possibilities of CircuitScribe really are limitless. Schematic sketches can become instant working prototypes. CircuitScribe also interfaces with the Arduino Makey for DIY life hacks. We're really excited to get CircuitScribe into your hands and see what you come up with.
We have the prototype completed, and now we want to get CircuitScribe out to consumers. We found a company that will help us design and manufacture the first batch of pins, but we need your help to fill that order. If we pass our goal, we can develop more products, like resistor and insulator pins, and get CircuitScribe into stores and classrooms.
We put together some awesome rewards packages for our backers, so pick up a kit and back CircuitScribe. Thanks for your support, and thanks for watching.
We all want a piece of nature, a window to another world, one we can enjoy and escape to every day. The problem is, most aquariums aren't natural ecosystems. They need to be heavily maintained, filters changed, water dumped, algae scrubbed. We know we could do better. We wanted a portal to nature, a living ecosystem that was both beautiful and hassle-free. So we created the EcoCube. We integrated aquaculture, raising fish, with a process called aquaponics, an all-natural growth method using plants to filter water. It's the same way nature filters our oceans, lakes, and rivers. The filter was meticulously designed to promote root growth that absorbs all the waste created by the fish. So you never need to change filters or aquarium water, ever. The seeds come in an all-natural, NASA-inspired plant media. So once it gets wet, seeds sprout with ease. After the seed grows into a plant, the filter runs oxygen and nutrient-rich water through the plant, leaving only the cleanest water. This makes your fish very happy. In addition, we also included the first ever compact UV lamp to sterilize everything in the water and keep harmful bacteria as well as algae from growing in your EcoCube. To top it all off, we included a full spectrum LED light to help your plant grow in any light condition. Over the years, after working with multiple aquarium stores, aquarium light manufacturers, and starting our company Aqua Design Innovations, we've learned a lot and we've gotten really good at installing aquatic ecosystems.
I've never seen a product as well, detail oriented and figured out as well as the filter that's on the EcoCube. Those plants will remove those nutrients and pollutants out of the water, and it's a fantastic organic way to keep your water clean, as well as just make the water healthier for the fish.
Inevitably, we started wanting to shoot for the moon, make the biggest filter possible, have it on the biggest tanks, we want to build the biggest farms. But in reality, we made that, put it on an aquarium, it looked great, but then it was like, who has these big aquariums? Who's going to use them? And really, you want something that's going to sit on your desk, that's going to be introductory starter kits. So we came back, got a lot of feedback from both industry professionals as well as friends that had aquariums, and said, I need to get this thing to fit against the wall. It just needs to be smaller, it needs to be more compact.
Part of what I like about the EcoCube is the simplicity. Aquaponics can get pretty complicated, but we're really just trying to copy nature, and nature does it best. So the EcoCube is really a condensed ecosystem and will do most of the work on its own for us, and we as operators merely observe and direct on occasion.
It's a fully integrated system that can have a fully sustainable. You could have anybody from someone who's very young just getting into aquariums to someone who's been well experienced to have a really cool product.
With products like the EcoCube, When you can bring a commercial scale system into the home, it's just an amazing thing for even your kids to learn or for you to learn.
It's on a sort of a manageable scale. You can watch a plant grow, you can watch a fish grow. It's a tremendously valuable thing because it's something that people can appreciate and see before their eyes.
We see the EcoCube as a platform to really spread the word about aquaponics, what it is and how it works. We see it as a solution for the future of food production, a way to save a lot of water, and it just solves so many huge problems that we have in the world, and that's our main goal, just to make our world a better place. And I think it all starts with education and just awareness.
And through the EcoCube, through the beauty of an ecosystem and nature, we wanted to bring the concept of aquaponics into as many people's homes as possible.
So we finished the design of the EcoCube and we need to pay for the molds to get it manufactured. This is where you come in. We need to raise $39,000 to ship this out to you.
So please share this with your friends, spread the word, and support this Kickstarter.
Thank you.
Thank you. The EcoCube is the perfect ecosystem. Everything works together.